Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account and device. Sign in and verify your email because that ties any claim to your profile. Once done, make sure the Xbox app or console firmware is updated to avoid hiccups. Next, pick an alternate payment method, PayPal, carrier billing, or Microsoft account balance, since there's no physical card. This step ensures the system can validate subscription eligibility and charge recurring fees if needed. Make these checks now to keep the process smooth. You now find the actual Game Pass offer in the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Search for the promotion and open its details page. Once visible, choose how to claim it, redeem a digital code, use a promotional link, or select the alternate payment option you prepared. Make sure your account's country/region matches the offer's region because mismatches block redemption. If prompted, follow on-screen verification steps. These steps confirm identity and let Microsoft attach the subscription. You complete redemption by entering the code or finishing the purchase flow. Watch for the confirmation screen and a receipt in email. Once confirmed, restart the app or console and test by launching any Game Pass title to ensure access. This clears cache and applies the subscription. If something goes wrong, check payment method validity, region settings, and that your account passed verification. Those are the usual culprits. If needed, remove and re-add the payment method or contact support with your transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.